Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out these Edifier Neobuds Pro, which claim to be the world's first high-res wireless earbuds. So what does this mean? Well, in simple terms, we are talking crystal clear audio with loads of detail and all done wirelessly. On the front of the box, we have this lovely embossed image of the earphones and the case that they come in. Moving down from that, it says Neobuds Pro, and underneath that again, we have true wireless stereo earbuds with active noise cancellation. Then moving up to the top right-hand corner, we have that wireless high-res audio stamp. Moving to the top of the box, and we have some key features such as the hybrid ANC, the electronic crossover, 3-mic cool noise cancellation, ambient sound mode, quick charge, 24-hour playtime, and antibacterial ear tips. Round the back goes on to give us some more information about the high-res audio TWS headphones with low latency, high definition audio codec, deliver high resolution sound. Electronic crossover, hybrid active noise cancellation technology, 24-hour battery life with the charging case, quick charge of 10 minutes for 1 hour listening, IP54 rated dust and water resistance. Personalise your experience with the Edifier Connect app. Now these are currently at $99, and if they are as good as what they say they are, then these are going to be a great bang for your buck. Removing the outer sleeve, and we get presented with this box which has a magnetic lid, and if we lift that up, just look at that presentation. Looks very nice, and I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but we have almost like a soundproof in there. Looks very nice indeed. I like that touch. But yeah, just take a look at this. So we have got this array of different size ear tips. Let me just remove that. So ranging from your small ones right up to your large. Just up from the ear tips is the actual earphones themselves. Little tab there just to lift them out. And that is the case that they come in. Nothing too offensive, nothing too flashy really. Just open those up. Oh, so we've got a nice pulsing light there. Looks like a kit from Knight Rider. Look at that. And yeah, there are the earphones themselves. So let's just remove one of those. Very nice design. And they're held in there by magnets as well, so you know that they're not going to drop out, as you can see just there. Yeah, I think they look very nice. And we'll see what they look like in my ears in just a minute. Now, if we pull this ribbon, we get presented with a second layer. It is the gift that keeps on giving, this is. So we have a card there with Edifier 25 on. Since 1996. We have a quick start guide there, and then finally underneath we have a cable. Again, we've got a little tab to pull that out, and that is USB Type-C. And finally, just down from that, we have a little bag to put everything in. Now, pairing these up should be a breeze, so all we've got to do is make sure Bluetooth is turned on the device that we're connecting them to, and I'm going to simply flip the lid, where they should automatically go into pairing mode. And with any luck, yeah, there they are showing up just there, and we shall click on them any second, and we should be paired up. So pair request, yes, and that's it, we are all connected. Now, if for some reason they don't automatically go into pairing mode, then there is a button just there that if you press it, will start that pairing procedure. Now, to take full advantage of these earbuds, we're going to want to download the Edifier Connect app, and that is available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, it is simple enough to connect the earbuds to the app. All we got to do is flip the lid once again, and then with any luck, it should automatically detect them. And there we go. Taking a closer look at the app, and as we can see, we have battery level indicators for both the left and the right earbuds, and also separately for the charging case. Below that, we have options there to choose the noise cancellation, so high noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, and ambient sound. Swiping to the left and we get our sound tuning options. So we've got customized there, dynamic and classic. And if we swipe to the left again, we get the option for game mode. Moving to the top right hand corner and we have our settings cog. So we have disconnect Bluetooth, repair, user manual, factory settings. We also have tap sensitivity, tap settings. Now this is interesting because you can customize each one of those earbuds. So we've got options there for play, pause, volume up, previous track, next track, game mode, voice assistant, so on and so forth. And obviously that is all adjustable, like I said, for either one. So plenty of customization there. Furthermore, in these settings, we can adjust the quality. So we have focus on signal connection quality, balance audio and connection quality, and focus on audio quality. Now, when it comes to sound quality, obviously I can't demonstrate this on camera, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. But when I connected these to a compatible device and playing some suitable music, I was extremely impressed with the sound quality that these were able to produce. The separation between the instruments was especially good, and just the overall clarity was exceptional for just that $99 asking price. Now, even when playing back some lower quality music via Spotify, I was still very impressed with the sound that they were able to produce. Treble was very clear without being too harsh, and the bass I felt was nice and deep. Now, when it came to the noise cancellation, I felt it was adequate, but not class leading. But what did shine was the ambient mode. Now, what ambient sound does, it allows you to hear the world around you while still being able to listen to the music. And this could be particularly handy if you were, say, riding a bike. Now, the final thing that I particularly liked was this pop-up banner that I was getting on my phone. Now, this was giving me vital information, such as the battery life for each of the earbuds, but also gave me shortcuts to things like the noise cancellation and the sound mode. Now, along with this, each time that I changed one of those settings, I would get a voice feedback telling me what I have changed it to. Well, there you go then, guys. That was the Neobuds Pro, and if you'd like to pick up a pair for yourself, then I'll be leaving a link in the description. Now, if you have enjoyed this video today, please spare me 1 second of your time to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. Now, if you'd like to support the channel, I've just set up a new way that you can do so. So I've set up a Buy Me a Coffee page. So if you like the content or I've helped you out in the past, then you can say thanks by buying me a coffee. And I will leave a link to that in the description. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.